And hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Josie. I hope that you're being blessed with my recipes, and please don't forget to subscribe. Today is another battle of recipes, meatloaf and embotido. Meatloaf is ground beef baked in the oven, and embotido is ground pork steamed in a steamer. So send your comments below. So, let the battle begin. And now, we're going to soften our chopped onion and garlic first. So we're going to head to our stove, and then we're going to return and mix all the ingredients together. Let's add our onion. Wait until about maybe 2 minutes until your onion is translucent. You don't want to brown your onion. You're just trying to make it soft. So when you mix it in the meatloaf, it's not hard. It's all blended in with the meat. So let's add in our garlic. Alright, so our onion is already soft and garlic is also soft. So we're gonna head back to the table and we're gonna start. Now, since that we finished softening our onion and garlic, mix them in. Your egg, parmesan cheese, your milk, your breadcrumbs, your bell pepper, mushroom, parsley, oyster sauce, salt, pepper. Now we're going to mix them all together. And we're going to use our hands to mix this. Just gently mix the ingredients together. Don't squeeze the meat or anything. Just toss them and mix them together. Okay. Now we're ready to transfer this meat to our loaf pan. Okay, now we're going to transfer this meat. Don't pack it, just gently pat it. Okay, we'll set it aside and then we're going to make our glaze for the meatloaf. Okay, here's our meatloaf, your ketchup, brown sugar, the mustard, and the vinegar. Now we're going to mix them together for our glaze, the mustard, and the vinegar. So make sure that the sugar is really well dissolved in the ketchup. So just stir it like that. Now, if you want to add a little bit more sugar, it's up to you. Let me try. Delicious. So now we're going to put this on top of this meat. We're going to put half of this and the other half we're going to put it later. Just spread a glaze. I already preheated my oven to 350 degrees. We're going to bake this for 60 minutes, then remove it out of the oven for more glaze, and then back into the oven for another 10 minutes, or until internal temperature hits 155 degrees. Alright folks, it's beeping, it's done. We're going to take it out from the oven. Okay, we're going to put the remaining glaze that we made a while ago. Now we're going to put it back. for another 10 minutes. And now our meatloaf is finally done. We're going to take them out in the oven. Stay tuned. Now it's time to mix all our ingredients. Let's start with our meat, then our onion, garlic, eggs, bell pepper, our carrots, breadcrumbs, our cheese, parmesan cheese, relish pickles, our raisins, salt, pepper, paprika, and milk. So make sure that you mix them together. All the ingredients are all combined. Now you can also taste this. Don't be scared of tasting, just a little bit, so you know if you have to add more salt. Remember, cheese is salty, so you have to consider that. So you have to adjust your salt in your mixture. Okay, let's put it to the side, and then now we're going to wrap it in foil. Okay, we're ready to wrap our embotido. I already pre-cut my foil here. Okay, and you're gonna take 1 cup. Now spread it. If you remember my video lumpia, this is the way you're gonna roll it. Make sure you leave space on the right and on the left to seal your embotido. Okay, now we're gonna roll it. Roll it like that. Hold the ends, crimp it, and twist. Hold the other end, crimp it, and twist. Okay, now I have boiled eggs here and Vienna sausage. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to roll it up with eggs inside and the hot dog. So again, get 1 cup. And we're going to put it first in a cling wrap. Make it a little wide so we can have room for the eggs. Okay? Now put your boiled eggs like that. Line it up there, about 3. We need 3. Okay, your Vienna sausage there. Now we're going to wrap it like this. Just like that. Then now I have my foil here. We're gonna transfer that here. See that? Now you're going to roll it up just like the way you roll the first one we did a while ago. Hold the ends, crimp it, and twist. The other side. Now we're done wrapping our embutido. Now it's ready for us to steam our stuff. I already have boiling water there. I have a steamer. It's quite large. It's 34 centimeter, but you don't have to get that size. If you have medium size, it's okay. So now let's start steaming. We made 10 pieces, medium size, of 2 pounds pork. Okay, now we're gonna bring it there because my water is boiling. We're gonna cook this for an hour. And here we are, the competitor Meatloaf and the challenger Embotido. Now it's time to taste it. Now, you gotta let me know which one you like, okay? Send the comments below. Let's taste it. Mmm. Delicious. You can taste the mustard, you know, the sweet sauce, the glaze, and it's so tender, guys. And let's try the embutido. I want some eggs. Excuse me. Both are very good, but to me, of course, this is the winner. Let me know. Ta-ta for now.